Hey everybody, today we're gonna do lettuce wraps, like that one big chain that's so popular does them, but better. Because here on Buzz Cooks, we make things better, cheaper, and easier. So, lettuce wraps, Asian style, you're gonna love them. They're an appetizer, they're an entree, they're great for parties, they're just wonderful. And listen, like, share, subscribe. Subscribe, please. Spread the word. And hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Lettuce wraps. Buzz Cooks next. Thank you.
Oh, oh yeah. Yo. So crisping. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So crisp, so cool, so fresh and light.
All right, let's get into these amazing lettuce wraps. They are delicious. So we're gonna make our sauce first. We got 2 cloves of garlic that I've already minced up, 1 tablespoon sriracha, half a cup of soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, about a teaspoon of ginger, and we're going to go just a dash of sesame oil, and about a tablespoon of gochujang, Korean paste. We'll put the lid on our bullet and we'll fire this up and make sure that sauce gets mixed up really good, and we'll pop it in the fridge until it's time that we need it. We'll reserve half for dipping sauce. The other half is going to go into our meat mixture. So I got 1 red bell pepper. We're going to take the sides off of 2 and we're just going to cut those julienne and then dice them up real good, and we'll put those aside. While I'm doing this, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes, and I put a new show out every Wednesday and every Sunday. I hope you enjoy them. Alright, let's put those in a bowl. Next we've got half of a onion. You can use white, you can use yellow. And we're just gonna score it there, then make our cuts along the edges, make nice diced onion. There we go. And after that, I'm using butter lettuce. You can use iceberg lettuce, you can use romaine lettuce. I just like butter lettuce for these. I don't know why, but that's my preference. So I'm just going to pull off the leaves and we'll give them a quick wash, dry them out with some paper towel, and have those on the ready when it's time to start building our lettuce wraps. So I'm going to get out my wok, and most lettuce wraps use ground chicken. I personally like to use ground turkey. It just is a little firmer of a meat. It's just a preference. You can use chicken, you can use turkey, it's up to you. But we're just gonna get our heat on to medium high, put a little olive oil into our wok or frying pan. We'll put our onions and peppers in there, and we'll start to cook those down a little bit. And once we get those cooked down, we're going to add our ground turkey, which is 1 pound of ground turkey. We'll just plop it right on top, pull the paper off. And I've got this amazing tool I got on Amazon, which is great for any kind of ground meat to break it down. I'll leave the link in the subscription down below where you can pick it up on Amazon. It's really, really handy. So we'll get in there and we'll start to cook our meat down. And I'm still on medium-high heat. Now, time to get rid of that grease from the meat. What I like to do is push the meat up to the sides of the wok, get a rolled up paper towel, and just kind of let all that grease go into the center. And just use the paper towel to Scoop it all up, and look at that, just like that. We got all the grease on the paper towels, ready to go. Trick I learned a few years ago. All right, let's get it back into the wok. Now we're gonna add our sauce to the meat. And we'll give this a real good mix. And as an option, it's up to you. I'm gonna add some chopped up green onion that I have in the bowl. You don't have to, but I like it. It gives a little color and it does add a little flavor. So we'll add those green onions. And then it'll be time to assemble our lettuce wraps. And you have delicious homemade lettuce wraps, better than any place in town. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.
A spice, a splash of soy. Now you're cooking up some serious joy. Lettuce wraps, dip 'em in sauce and don't look back. Sweet and spicy, bold and neat. Each crunchy bite is a flavor beat. Whoa. Butter or iceberg, crisp and green. Wrap up, you're feeling like a cuisine queen. No fork needed, just hands and heart. These little wraps are a tasty art. So make a batch, don't wait too long. With lettuce wraps, you can't go wrong. So simple, fresh, and full of